Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be showing you my custom widget setup on my Z Fold 5. Now this will apply to the Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, the S23 series, basically anything with pretty much One UI 5 or newer at the time we're recording this video. And we're going to be using a couple of things. We're going to be using KWGT, the custom widget maker, a custom widget pack on KWGT, and then we are going to be using Samsung's Good Lock and the Lockstar module right here. And the Lockstar module is going to allow us to put this widget on the lock screen and the always on display. So I don't have all of them on the lock screen, I just have the battery one there. But then on the always on display, I do have this KWGT widget right here that shows the battery temperature, a weather condition icon, and the high and low temperature for the day. And then up here I have this set of widgets right here, which has a Wi-Fi, camera, notification bell, and again the battery temperature, battery level, time, and analog clock. Now the Wi-Fi one I have set to open Wi-Fi settings. The notification one right there, when you tap that, it will clear all notifications. Battery temperature doesn't do anything, and then camera of course opens the camera. Now right here we have again the weather on this, and it has a little high and low graph and conditions throughout the day, hour by hour. On the outside screen, the always on display is the same, and the widgets are the same except they're separated by pages on the smaller screen. So if we open up KWGT here, right here you can see all the different widgets I have. Here's the one on the always on display, and then the ones on the different outer screen and inner screen. There's two different ones, one for each, because they're different sizes. So if we open them up, this is Concept Nothing. That is the pack I'm using. So if you download this pack, there are a bunch of different ones in here which are very, very cool. They come from the Nothing phone. They have the Nothing phone and Nothing OS style, which I like. So that's what I'm using on my excuse me, on my Z Fold 5, and that's how I did it. You just need KWGT Pro, which is the paid key for it, and you can add those. Of course, you can do this with different widgets as well. You don't have to have the Nothing pack. You can do it with different designs and stuff like that as well. But using that Good Lock module, it allows you to also put them on your always on display. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but they are down there. So you can have widgets, any custom widget on your always on display, as well as your Samsung widgets. So that is that on the Z Fold 5. Like I said, it will work for other devices, S23, S23 Ultra, that kind of stuff as well. I'm Colin with Techout. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.